Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can collect blueberries in Heartopia. So blueberries are one of the most useful berries in Heartopia for cooking, gifting, and also completing daily quests. And here I'm going to show you the best routes to fill your basket in record time. So as you guys can see, I have a request to collect 11 blueberries. So what you need to do, just find the blueberries in the yard like this. And then you can just start collecting them like this. Just click on this button if you're on PC. And let's find another one here. So just repeat the steps until you got all of this amount to complete your quest. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. That's how you can collect blueberries in Heartopia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye.